Have you ever wondered who truly controls the threads of fate? In ancient Greece, the Moirai, or Fates, were three enigmatic sisters named Clotho, Lachesis, and Atropos. Clotho spun the thread of life, Lachesis measured its length, and Atropos wielded the scissors that cut it. Their power was absolute, even the gods trembled before them. This tale unfolds with the story of King Acrisius of Argos, who received a prophecy that his daughter's son would one day kill him. In a desperate attempt to avert fate, he locked his daughter, Danae, in a bronze tower. But the gods had other plans. Zeus, captivated by Danae's beauty, transformed into golden rain and penetrated her confinement. Danae bore a son, Perseus. Acrisius, unaware of his grandson's birth, continued to believe he had outwitted destiny. Many years later, fate would catch up with him in an unexpected twist. During an athletic competition, Perseus competed, and in a tragic turn of events, he accidentally killed Acrisius with a discus. The Moirai's weavings are intricate, reminding us that no matter how hard one tries, destiny is a tapestry that cannot be unraveled.